Hi everybody, welcome back, and today I will be sharing with you a few things that I recently picked up from LV. And these two items, I actually ordered both of them quite a while ago. So the bigger bag, this one was ordered around August, and then this item was paid and ordered around September. So I only just got them, and yeah, I've got a story behind both of them. Oh no, I've got a story behind the bigger one. Anyway, I am setting up a new camera to see whether the focus situation will be a little bit better. So I am trying to familiarize myself with it. I have like a dual screen, like the camera's there, I've got this, so I might be looking down a little bit because I don't really know if I'm in focus. But anyway, yeah, let's get to this video. Oh, one more thing. If you guys are wondering what this lipstick color is, this is from Chanel. So this is the lipstick. So this is the Christmas collection Chanel color. Really, really pretty red, true blue red color. It is gorgeous. So this is the color that I've got on my lips today, and yeah, I wanted to mention it because I know some of you asked me what is this lip color that I'm wearing, and it is from Chanel. So go and get it because I think this is a limited edition collection so with the red packaging. So this is really, really nice. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. Let's start. Okay, let me start with this fellow here. And this item I got in Singapore. I placed the order in September and I picked it up this month because I don't know, there were so many people trying to get it. So let's see. This is what it comes with. This is the receipt. So there are two different receipts. So this is the new receipt that LV has right now, which, okay, let me just make sure my details are okay. Anyway, yeah, so the receipt looks like this. Kind of like, it feels a little bit like the Tiffany & Co.'s paper, you know, that it's a little bit thicker, a bit more smooth, except that the printing on it is very, very similar to the printing on, let's say, I don't know, some supermarket. It doesn't feel like a receipt that you get from a luxury store, so yeah, it's a little bit disappointing, but apparently these are the receipts that we are going to be getting right now. So this is the item. It's just the SLG, but it is the Kirigami in the Grace Coddington collection. So this is the one with the 3-piece. So this is the first item. So that's how it looks like. This is actually really good quality. The silk printing is amazing. It feels really nice as well. Okay, so that's the first one, and it comes with 3 pieces. So let me take them all out so you can see them together.
Wow.
It's really, really nice. I especially love this white piece. See? The dogs and the cat is so cute. That's the dog there. And this is the back, feels so nice. That trunk, my goodness. And then on the inside, let me take that card out. On the inside, look at that. There's Grace Coddington and all the mice. To be honest, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I have a feeling that eventually I will sell it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it because it's too pretty to use, and I mean, it's really, really beautiful. I really don't know. I don't use pouches. I don't use yeah, I don't know. Tell me what I should do with it. I mean, I thought about selling it, and I don't know if anybody wants it. I think you can still get it as well. So it's not something that you can't get anymore. I am seriously not sure. So I got it after waiting for 4 months. Yeah, 4 months in Singapore. So I heard that it is quite hard to get, but it's not impossible, or maybe I'm wrong. So moving on to the next one. So let me unveil it first, and then I will tell you the story about it, because this item, yeah, I didn't expect to get it in the end or at all because of what happened. So let me just show you what the item is, and if you want to hear the story, you can keep watching. If you don't want to hear it, you can click off because you're just curious what this item is. So anyway, this is the box that it comes with, and it gave me the Christmas packaging. Oh, let me show you the receipt. Okay, so this was purchased in Malaysia, and the receipt is still the original yellow paper receipt. So I don't know, apparently in Singapore, they have already launched the white receipt version, but in Malaysia and other countries, it's still, I mean around Asia here, it's still the yellow paper. So I was really pleased when I saw this. I was thinking, you're gonna give me the white paper, but they gave me the yellow receipt. So I'm quite happy. The client associate here told me that they are actually launching it in Singapore first, kind of like a test run to see how people's reaction is, see how it works before they implement it around Asia. So hopefully people are giving feedback that it's not that great, that they'll change back to this, but you know, anyway, let's get to this. So reveal it. I've already opened it. I just wanted to put it back so that I can show you. So, okay. Ribbons all coming out. This is it! I'm so excited! Oh, you can hear it. What is it?
It's my pouch.
And my my first ever, oh my gosh, look at it, it's the LV Bumbag. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the brand new LV Bumbag in monogram canvas with vachetta leather. See, it's still wrapped and all. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me. Oh, I've been waiting to unbox it because I'm dying to use it. I can hear it noise. It's because windows open. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. I don't think I'll wear it like this. Probably wear it like a sling bag on this side. So I'll probably, yeah, something like this. Okay, it doesn't go with what I'm wearing now. Okay, it's a little bit too small, wait. Okay, probably wear it like this. Yeah? Okay, so let me tell you the backstory about this. And I ordered this bag with my essay in August, okay, and I was wondering what happened because I saw a lot of people still already getting it, and I was wondering what happened to my order. So I did contact my client associate or client advisor or sales associate, whatever you call them right now, CA, SA. I asked her, I said, what happened? So she didn't reply me, and I swear, I don't know what happened to her. So just around last month, I think it was in November, I decided to drop by LV at Gardens to pick it, to just check out what happened to my essay and as well as, what happened to my order. So something happened at LV Gardens and I kind of did a little rant on my Instagram. I was I was really disappointed with the treatment that I got at the garden. So I actually did a video, a whole rant video about it, and I edited the video. I mentioned, I turned that video from a negative to a positive, but I felt that I don't want to put up that video anymore because I don't want to put out negativity. I don't, in the end I got the bag, but it wasn't so much of me ranting to get the bag. I was just really disappointed what happened at Gardens there. So some of you really reached out to me, and one of you, I'm not going to mention the names, you really helped me get this bag because after that a whole cycle went in. Somebody from the LV Gardens, the manager contacted me, and then after that another SA contacted me. So things happen so fast. The next thing I know that after a few weeks he contacted me and said, hey, here's your bag. So what happened was, what I understand from him, and his name is Paul. If you guys want to go to LV Gardens, he is freaking good, okay? I wouldn't deal with anyone else at LV Gardens anymore. My old SA has left, and then anyone else inside the store, to be honest, I would not want to, I wouldn't want to deal with them. But I will deal with Paul because he is really good and he's really nice, and he helped me get this bag, but also shared with me some information on what happened. So one of it is that a lot of the orders that my old SA placed for other customers, they got all deleted for whatever reason, I don't know what happened. Okay, they all got deleted. That's why, including my order. That's why I ordered this in August. And in fact, if I didn't go in November to find out what happened, I didn't actually walk out finding out what happened. Okay, so anyway, I walked out. I would never have gotten this bag. Like, my order was naturally never there, even though the little girl told me my order is there. But in truth, my order wasn't there. So it was very frustrating. But yeah, anyway, I don't want to talk about sad things and angry things in a video. I want to say that I finally got this bag. And I'm going to use it, okay? I know it's a fun fashion item. It's I don't know, it's probably a trend and all, but I like it. It looks like my husband's bag. Bring your bag here.
Oh. That would be good.
Oh my gosh, this is my husband's fanny pack, and this is the wife's fanny pack. Doesn't it look the same? Okay, you want to use?
Alright.
Anyway, I'm really happy to get this, and I just want to thank my wonderful subscriber for helping me, you know, getting me in touch, or getting the person in LV in touch with me, and you know, really helping me out. I never wanted that rant to turn into something I would buy. I just was really frustrated, and I would say 98% of the time, I don't like to vent. I don't like to, you know, at people, but wow, that incident really made my blood boil, okay? So, yeah, just for a bag. So I was like, what? Okay, anyway. Coming back to my brand new bag. Oh my god, don't you just think I look cool? Maybe not with this outfit, but oh, look at that. It is a very soft canvas. The part up here where the zip is, it's quite hard. But, not hard, but it's like there's more material. But down here is really soft. So, I don't know, isn't that cute? Goodness, can't wait to use it! I'm ending off 2018 with the last two purchases, the Kirigami as well as the LV Bumbag. I am really happy with this. I can't believe I actually got it in the end, because I was almost like, nah, not gonna get it. But yeah, it happened. And then this item, I've got another video coming up. I'm gonna do a Q&A video shortly after this, but I've got one video which I filmed almost 3 weeks ago, but I haven't, well, actually I've just finished editing it. It took me a while because I was doing all that, you know what, would I buy it again series. So I was editing that, I was like, and then next thing I know, I left that out. But I do want that to go up maybe in the next 4 to 5 days, and that video is going to set the stage for my 2019. So I really hope you guys watch that, and yeah, it's a little journey that I'm gonna take for 2019. I don't know, I feel like it's a big deal for me. Maybe it's not a big deal for a lot of people, but I feel like I want to be a little bit more responsible to a certain extent. So anyway, that is coming up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got any questions about this bag or this item, leave it in the comments down below. Otherwise, you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.